everyone, it's Lizzie from Lizzie's World of Gems. Welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't put up much videos, but I did have surgery on both of my hands. So if you see bandages throughout this video on my hands, I do apologize, but it has to cover up my stitches. So I've been waiting for a very long time for this custom pen that I got made from Creations Dobel. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It is a shop on Etsy, and it is a Canadian shop, and I thought I really wanted to try out their pens because I see other creators that have their pens, and I really wanted to take a look. And I'm really sad that I'm going to cut this Happy Mail sticker. So excited. I'm so excited because I feel like this is going to go really well with my bling in the New Year painting. It's really hard for me to open stuff up right now, guys. So I do apologize. Of course, I can't open squat. It really hurts to use the scissors too. That's why I should have opened this up off the camera. It's really hurting. Oh great, now sounds like the trucks are coming by for the snow and they're gonna make a lot of racket. Yep, of course. Such my life that would happen. It snowed a ton lot here in Ontario. Oh my gosh. That was a struggle and a half. My hands. And I'm going to open this up. And look it, I got some rockets. You know, you Americans call these Smarties, but as you can see here in Canada, we call them rockets. Oh, and I got some stickers. There's something in here. Oh, so cute. That looks like it's made out of resin. Is this supposed to have this magnet on it, maybe? Maybe that's what this magnet was for, but it fell off. But I got glue, and I can glue it back on. Oh, so cute. Or I can just put it by my other stuff. Not use the magnets, because you know I have all my little fun creatures on my desk that are not here right at the moment. Oh, look, and I got a kitty cat. I got another kitty cat. Aw. I like, excuse me, I like that kitty cat. Now, they are French. It's very hard sometimes to figure out. And I think it's called Creations Dobel. I hope I'm saying that right. And this is what we've all been waiting for. I think I'm going to use my 6 placer from Diamond Art Club on this pen. Let's see. Oh my god, it's as beautiful as I thought. Oh, look how beautiful this is. It was a floral one. Look at all the flowers in it. That's why I feel like it'd be a really good pen for Fairy Aurora. I think it's going to complement that painting very, very well. I like the feel in my hand too. I like these, no, I think that has to be like the single placer. I mean the multi-placer, and this is the single placer. I am going to put my metal tips on. Hopefully they do fit. I should just try and see, because these are pretty snug. I hope metal tips fit in it. Oh, it looks like they glued it in. Well, that's not good. That's not good at all. Let's see. Now I got glue stuck in there because I pulled it out. Oh, it fits. I might have to take this off. But oh yeah, it fits. It fits quite nicely actually. That's like the best fit I've had ever. Now whether it's gonna pull out or not, I might have to put one thing of washi on it. But I don't know. Let's see down here. This one probably has glue on it too. If that one had glue. No, this one doesn't have glue. Isn't that strange how the other one had glue? But I think if I put like one strip of washi tape, it's gonna fit nicely there. And I'm gonna have to put some washi tape on this one for sure to make it fit. But oh, isn't it gorgeous? I think this is my new fave for a while till I find another one. Look at the flowers in it. Isn't it just gorgeous? I think this is really going to look good with Fairy Aurora that I'm doing. But yeah, it is a beautiful pen. So if you guys want to go check them out, they do have an Etsy shop. I will try to link them down below for you guys to go check them out. They have a lot of blanks there. It does take a little while for them to actually make it, but they do have a delivery date expectation. And mine was from the 2nd of December to the 10th, and today's the 10th, and it showed up on the 10th. So you know what? It is pretty accurate, and I knew, but I was like, I didn't get a call back, so I was just wondering, did they receive it? Like, because I wanted to know. I sent her a message. She's like, oh yeah, we just did it, and it should be coming out shortly. So yeah, look at the flowers in there. I've never had a floral pen. This is my first floral pen, and I gotta say, I love it. I love it so much. You know, I'm not so much for the fancy this and that. I could have done it without this one and just kept the one in the middle. But you know what? It's okay. It's not bothering my hand. But look at how beautiful this pen is. Super, super excited to use this pen in the new year. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, everyone. Bye. Hey guys, it's me again. If you like what you've seen, please like and subscribe to this video, and hit that notification bell, and it'll remind you whenever I load up a video. I'd be super tickled pink. Till next time, guys, take care. Bye.